Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about skincare for men. Okay, we're going to be talking about daily skincare products that men should be incorporating in their daily routine. Okay, it's going to be very simple. I know some men who will come across this video, they'll be like, oh, we are guys, we don't need it. Hair, no, you need to take care of your skin. Okay, you need to do the, even if you're not doing so much the way we women do, like at least do the basics so that someone close to you can breathe. Do you understand me? So I'm going to be telling you the most simplest skincare routine that you can start doing today, and you're going to thank me. And don't forget that all the products I'm going to be listing in this video, we have them all available, but we'll come to that later. So the first thing you have to do as a man is cleansing. Okay, you need a cleanser. You need to cleanse your face. So what do I mean by cleansing? Basically, I mean washing your face. So there is a product, there are different cleansers out there, but I'm showing this one. This one is from Face Facts. It's a very nice cleanser. It's a hydrating cleanser. All you need to do is just to put like 2 or 3 pumps in your palm and lather it properly. Lather it for like a minute. Then before using it to wash up your face, you need to wash your face to get rid of all the sweat, all the oil that have been stuck on your skin, you know, your neck, your ear, your neck, extend it everywhere. So you have to wash your face properly. Then you have to do this every morning and also at night. Okay, so cleansing your face is very important because it's going to help get rid of all the sweat, all the oil that you have, you know, after working under the sun, or maybe exposing your skin to the sun for the day. You need to use a good cleanser to wash it all off. Okay, so this one is from Face Facts. It's a hydrating gentle cleanser. It is very good. The next one is moisturizer. Okay, I mean, moisturizer is very important. So moisturizer keep your skin very moisturized and prevent your skin from dryness. Okay, I'm sure you don't want to look like someone that have not taken his bath for a longest time, and I'm sure you don't want to look so ashy. Do you understand? You know, when you shower without putting on your moisturizer, it's going to make you look so ashy. Okay, so moisturizer is going to make you look hydrated and moisturized. Okay, so what you need to do is just to get a very lightweight moisturizing lotion. I have this one here. This one is actually a body lotion, but I'm sure guys really don't care using their body lotion on their face, because for me, I would say you guys are more, you guys doesn't go through what women go through when it comes to, you know, keeping up their look and their face and all of that. So if you can use this on your face and on your body, I will advise you can do it. All you need to do is just to put a little amount, you know, rub it properly, make sure it absorbs into your skin. Do you get me? Like, rub it and let it sink into your skin. It is going to help keep your face look very smooth and soft. Do you understand? So moisturizing is a very good way to make you not to look ashy. So guys, the next one is sunscreen. Okay, if you know that you go under the sun more often, it's very advisable for you to wear your sunscreen. Okay, because it's going to protect your skin from rays, because going under the sun without protecting your skin with sunscreen is going to dry up your skin, and as it's drying your skin, it's going to make your skin to look older than you actually look, if that makes sense. So I will advise, if you're going to get your SPF, like this one is Dr. Marshall. This is very affordable. This is not the best in the market, but it is okay. It's better to have this one than not having any one at all. Okay, so whenever you want to get your SPF, make sure you're getting SPF 30 or higher. Okay, in that way it's going to really shield your skin from the sun. So if you have any need to also reapply your sunscreen, because if you are kind of person who stay longer hours under the sun, it is advisable to reapply after 2 hours. Okay, that way it's going to make your skin to keep looking plump. It's going to make your skin not to look like it's so dry and crusty. Do you understand? Yeah, so make sure you wear your sunscreen. Don't say because I'm a man I'm not doing this. Is this for women? No, you need to look good. Yeah, you need to look good. Okay, yeah. So finally, if you want to go extra mile for your skin as a man, you need to use an exfoliator. Okay, what that simply means is to incorporate body scrub in your routine. I don't have anyone around, I would have shown you. Okay, so you have to exfoliate your skin at least once or twice in a week. You know what it's going to do for you? It's going to, you know, sometimes when you look at your skin, you're going to see some whitish stuff, or maybe you have dead skin cell. So with your exfoliator or with your body scrub, it's going to help exfoliate your skin. It's going to help remove all the dead skin cell, so that anytime you put a product on your body, it's going to sink in well and work for you. Do you understand? So it is very advisable to incorporate an exfoliant. You can use physical exfoliant or chemical, but I'm advising you to use a chemical exfoliant because it's going to, I think that is a lot easier. But chemical exfoliant is basically for face. Most times people use it for face. You can use lactic acid or glycolic acid, but physical exfoliant is the best. Okay, and there you have it. A simple skincare routine for a man should follow a cleanser, a moisturizer, an SPF, and your exfoliant. Okay, this way your skin is going to be glowing. See, I didn't say you should bleach your skin because I know most of you guys doesn't like anything that lighten them whatsoever. Everything I have mentioned here is only going to help brighten your skin. What that means is, if you're dark, you're still going to remain dark, and your darkness is going to shine. You see how hair is shining? Don't mind how my face is shining. I put oil on my face. See how hair is shining? That's if you're dark, you're going to shine like that. If you're fair, you're still going to shine. It just to help the product to work better. Do you understand? So you have to keep this routine consistent. I mean, this is not much, right? It's not much. Only cleansing, moisturizing, using your SPF and exfoliating once or twice in a week. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, like it, subscribe to this channel, on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know anytime I post any video. Bye for now.